Listen, if you're selling anything on Amazon, you must be using this one single tool because this one single AI tool will allow you to save money, save time, and achieve profits much faster. And I know there are hundreds of these YouTube tutorials that talk about how to make money on Amazon and all sorts of different things. But in this video, I want to keep it very simple and I want to go through the process of how to actually leverage this AI tool to make money with your Amazon business a lot faster. You see, Amazon is this trillion-dollar company, and if you have been using it for a while, you know that there is a massive potential in terms of making money selling products there. But the hard part is actually finding products, sourcing products, finding the right offers to actually sell, and then managing the entire business. But if you go to profitguru.com, and this AI tool will allow you to actually manage everything within this one single platform, and it also goes through different ways to actually make money on Amazon. And whether that's a private label, wholesale, or drop shipping, it goes through all the details on how to actually make money with this platform. So you see, once you sign up to Profit Guru, on the left hand side you can access products, brands, suppliers, and sellers, and it also gives you the sales estimator. So when you search for a particular product, it's going to estimate how many sales and how much profit potential you can actually earn with that product. So you can essentially just save time and not just second guess whether it's going to sell or not. But it also gives you bundle ideas, bulk analysis tool, and stalkers, so you can kind of spy on your competitor as well. But if you go to the product section over here, you can just choose a category. Let's say I want to sell something around camera products. I can now search for this and it's going to show me some of the best selling products. Currently the sales rank for this one is number 1. Estimated sales are around $25,000 and the weekly average sales are around 25,000 sales at a price of $35. That's absolutely insane. If you just do the math on this one single product, so this is how you can research and find product ideas in literally in any category. And if you go to the brand section on the left hand side, you can also research different brands and sellers on Amazon. And if you go to suppliers, you can actually find direct suppliers for these products. So once you find a good product to sell you can now find an actual supplier and you can use that supplier to sell a product. Especially if you're doing drop shipping, you find some product is selling very well, like for example that camera is selling like $35 and sold over 25,000 times the last 7 days. Well, now you can find a supplier here on the left hand side and you can probably find the same camera for like $10, and if you resell it you can earn a lot of profit. Now just bear in mind that none of this is going to be extremely easy. This obviously does require a lot of work, time, and effort, but Profit Guru definitely make things a lot easier because you can research a lot faster, you can find winning products a lot faster. Now regardless of whether you use this tool or not, some principles that you should always follow and when finding the right product, and something that I genuinely wish someone told me when I was starting out with my online business, and that you should always follow. And number one thing you should always stick to is finding product that actually solves problem. So the idea is that you will actually make more money if you just focus on solving problems and finding products that are actually solving painful problems in someone's life. Like, yes, you can potentially sell mugs and pillows and that's fine, but if you find something that genuinely solves the problem, for example back pain, and you can find some gadget that people can attach and then it will help them with their back pain or something like that, it solves a genuine problem, then you can sell it a lot faster and a lot easier. And you also want to make sure that product is already in demand, especially if you're just starting out. You don't want to go with some product that no one is selling because you just want to go against the crowd, but to start with something that you see there's a couple of stores already on Amazon selling that and are being successful with it, because that just shows you proof that all right, there is demand for this. Now I just got to do it better, create better ads, create better photos, create better videos, maybe sell it for a little bit cheaper, do things a lot better, get better reviews, use try to rank higher, and just try to beat the competition that is already selling there. But you do want to use the concept that's already proven to work, and I personally always prefer to sell products that gave me at least a 3 times profit margin. So unless it's making me 3 times more profit what I'm selling for it, then it's not going to be worth it, at least for me. And that's the principle that I like to follow. So the 3 principles: number 1, it solves a painful problem; number 2, there is already in demand for that product because there are some people selling it and are being successful with it. So this is a concept which is proven. And third is to make sure that the profit margins are making it worth it to sell the exact same product. Now in terms of the concept number 2, you see Profit Guru actually has this brand section on the left hand side where you can spy and see exactly what your competitors are selling and what's performing well for them, and then you can take those products and sell them yourself and do it a lot better. So once you find your competitor at Amazon, you can just enter their brand name here or just their listing and just search for it, and it's going to show you what's performing well for them, an estimated monthly sales, so how much they're estimated to make every single month. And when you do that, it's going to show you whether it's going to be worth it to go into that industry or not. And another way to kind of beat your competition when it comes to Amazon selling is to create bundle products and bundle packages. So if you go to bundle ideas on the left hand side, it's going to show you what will be the best product to combine to each other to sell as a bundle, and that way increases your revenue, increases your profits. And when it comes to the storefront stalker, you can essentially just enter Amazon seller ID over here, and it's kind of going to extract all the data information, potential leads, so you can get sales a lot faster. So it essentially allows you to work a lot smarter and working harder. And at the seller section on the left hand side, you can see you don't have to reinvent the wheel, but you can just take a look at what's already performing well for other sellers, especially in your niche, and just try to do it better than them. So you have essentially over 1 million sellers at your fingertips with one press of a button. When you go to the seller section, the left side, you can of course customize your search over here and based on the niche that you're in. So again, if you're selling any kind of products on Amazon and if you're running on Amazon business, I do recommend you to go over to profitguru.com or click the first link in the description box down below to get things done a lot faster and a lot better and kind of a lot smarter. And if you want to see another great way to make money online in a full step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do that, feel free to click on the video that's on the screen right now.